Welcome to CarTechHome channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video.
When you start your car and it won't start, but a grinding sound is heard when you turn the ignition on. This indicates one thing: a bad starter drive, or worn ring gear. The grinding sound you are hearing, usually, indicates a bad starter drive. The starter drive is the part inside the starter. It connects and disconnects the starter motor to the engine for cranking. But a worn or damaged ring gear is also likely. The car will not start in this condition. Have the starter or ring gear replaced. This is usually a job for a professional mechanic. Hopefully, your car is covered under warranty, but if not, you'll have to shop around for the best price. Also, in this situation, you will need your car towed to a garage, since you obviously can't drive it.